I need to understand what jurisdiction we're under.
Please.
Objection. Objection. Are we in a common law court? Yes or no? Case dismissed. Case dismissed because you refuse to rebuttal to the question regarding jurisdiction. You cannot proceed without honoring the jurisdiction.
April 26, 2023 will be set for an in-person bench trial in courtroom number 1.
Objection. I will not be showing up. Objection. I will not be showing up. You
Answer the question about jurisdiction. We've got an insane video today, guys. This sovereign citizen is easily one of the craziest I've ever come across. And honestly, I have no idea how the judge managed to stay calm. Did you know these people believe they're above the law because of some so-called common law loophole that doesn't even exist? The judge in this case seriously deserves a medal for keeping composure. But really, what do you all think about this situation? What should be done with these sovereign citizens? Should they just be cast out from society? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump right into it, guys.
Okay, are we under penalty and perjury?
Are we on what, ma'am?
Under penalty and perjury, if you're willing to swear in.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I can barely hear you.
I said, is everybody willing to swear in under penalty and perjury?
Ma'am, we're not taking testimony as of yet. Today is the day and time scheduled for the pre-hearing and adjourned arraignment pretrial in these matters.
It still has to be placed on a record. He still has to be put under penalty and perjury because he's swearing to an alleged crime against me and holding me accountable. So even though this is just a hearing, it still has to be put on notice for the public as well.
Ma'am, today is the day and time scheduled for the pre-hearing and the arraignment pretrial. Would you state your name for the record, please?
Benita Seeley.
Ms. Seeley, Mr. Battar is the court-appointed attorney assigned to this courtroom for the day. He's indicated that you don't wish to engage his services. Is that correct?
No, let me explain my position. I asked him a simple question about jurisdiction. That's why this hearing has been re-adjourned for today, because the last hearing, none of the attorneys could answer the question in regards to what jurisdiction that we're operating under. So they want to proceed without addressing the jurisdiction, which is a violation of due process. So in order for him to be represent me on any...
She's running with. Pay close attention to the sovereign citizen's main argument in this hearing, because she's about to repeat the same move again and again, straight up refusing to answer the judge's questions. And shout out to the judge, because honestly, I don't think I'd have that level of patience. It's almost impressive how committed she is to her nonsense. But come on, this is a courtroom, not a game of let's pretend reality doesn't exist. Judges ask questions for a reason, and dodging them doesn't make you sound smart. It just makes you look guilty, clueless, or honestly both. Let's jump back into it, and tell me what you all think about this confused idiot here.
Ms. Seeley, if you do not wish to use the court-appointed attorney, and you confirm as much to the court right now, Mr. Battar can go back, ma'am, Mr. Battar can go back and do other things that he needs to do this morning. Do you wish to use Mr. Battar's services, or do you wish to represent yourself this morning, or do you wish to retain counsel through some other mechanism?
Under what charge, under which jurisdiction, and then who's bringing the charges against me?
Ma'am, there were citations issued against you in Huron Township for limited access speeding 11 to 15 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. That's a civil infraction. There's count 2, no proof of insurance. And there is the misdemeanor of driving while license not valid or improper license. Do you wish to use the services of the MIDC attorney, or do you wish to represent yourself this morning, or do you wish to retain counsel?
Who are the parties bringing this claim against me? It's a simple question.
I answered your question, ma'am. I answered your question, ma'am. I answered your question, ma'am.
And could you re-answer it? Because I didn't hear it. Who's bringing the charges against me?
The citation that was issued to you was issued by an officer from Huron Township, Freddie Yono. It's the citation that was issued is signed.
So it's
It
Freddie.
has his name and his ID number. Ma'am, my question to you is, do you wish to engage the services of the court-appointed attorney, or may I release him to go back to do some other work?
Wait a minute, I have questions before I can answer on. You're trying to get me to
No,
avoid
ma'am.
questions that you
No,
know.
ma'am.
Yes, it's
No,
a
ma'am.
due process violation. Objection. Yes.
Miss
Because you're not
Seeley,
hearing
this
me.
is
This is a
Miss
hearing.
Seeley, this is the third and last time I'm asking you. Will you be using Mr. Batars to represent you this morning, or do you wish to retain your private attorney, or do you wish to represent yourself?
I need to understand what jurisdiction we're under.
Mr. Batar, you may return to your breakout rooms to meet with other potential clients. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I
Ms.
may,
Seeley, do you intend to represent, I'm sorry, Ms. Foley Carter.
I just want we started this case back in July. Ms. Seeley attended her first pretrial. She demanded that the case be dismissed. I declined. I asked that the case be set for a bench trial. Ms. Seeley objected, and Magistrate Hinman advised her to file a motion stating her objection. Since then, she asked Judge Green for her oath of office and then didn't appear for the court dates before Judge Oakley. So this case has been going on for quite some time with no resolution.
Because it's I'm asking a question and it requires a rebuttal when it's being ignored. You cannot violate the due process.
She's sticking to and really pay attention to the sovereign citizen's key claim in this hearing, because she's about to pull the exact same stunt over and over, flat out avoiding the judge's questions. In respect to the judge, because honestly, I don't think I could show that much patience. It's almost impressive how dedicated she is to her nonsense. But seriously, this is a courtroom, not a game of pretending reality isn't real. Judges ask questions for a reason, and ignoring them doesn't make you sound intelligent. It just makes you look guilty, lost, or frankly both. Let's get back into it, and let me know what you all think about this clueless person here.
And ignore the questions that the people have. Someone's bringing a claim against me, and my only question is, are we dealing in a commercial or a common law, also known as a record of law, court? That's simple. So are we in a common law court, yes or no?
Marianne, a in-person bench trial date in this matter, please.
Objection. Are we in a common law court, yes or no?
January
Case
23rd
dismissed.
at 11 o'clock.
Case dismissed. Case dismissed because you refuse to rebuttal to the question regarding jurisdiction. You cannot proceed without honoring the jurisdiction. You cannot be in
Ms.
the capacity
Seeley,
of a
the misdemeanor matter and the two civil infractions that are traveling with it that were issued on April 26, 2023 will be set for an in-person bench trial in courtroom number 1.
Objection. I will not be showing up. Objection. I will not be showing up. You refuse to answer the question of jurisdiction. You're trying to get me into the courtroom so you can take me against my will and lock me up in a cage like an animal. Objection. You do not have jurisdiction over me. You do not have judicial authority in North America. You are working for a municipality called the state of Michigan. You have no jurisdiction. You are an attorney. You work for a corporation. You are in a municipal capacity. You have no authority. You call yourself government. Your position is a public servant.
Miss
I am the
Seeley,
objection.
Miss Seeley,
no, you cannot proceed as an attorney. Objection. I will not be showing up in court. I will appeal this matter. Objection.
There is no question pending to you, ma'am. This court will be muting you at this time because the court has muted Ms. Seeley as her responses are not responsive to the matter that is before the court. This matter is being scheduled for trial. If Ms. Seeley wishes to absent herself from that trial, that is her absolute right. That trial date is January 23rd.
Wow, that was intense. This sovereign citizen is about to learn in her next hearing whether the courts have jurisdiction or not. And quick spoiler, they almost definitely do. Honestly, this woman should have been hit with a contempt charge because let's be real, she's one of the rudest people I've personally seen in a courtroom. The amount of patience the judge showed was on another level. So major shout out to her. And I've got to say too, Zoom courts seriously need to start requiring defendants to show their faces because hiding behind a screen while firing off objections left and right is just crazy. There's absolutely no control in the courtroom like that. And let's not forget, as a defendant, yelling objection literally does nothing. That's not how the law works. But hey, I guess it makes for great content. This has to be one of the wildest hearings I've reacted to so far, and I'm dying to know what you all thought about it. I genuinely love reading your comments. Seriously though, was she actually clueless, or was she just playing games to delay things? Let me know what you think down below. Honestly, this one was really entertaining to watch, even though it was super frustrating. And I'm pretty sure the judge did not like this girl at all. But I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, let me know what other cases you want me to react to. I read every single comment. As always, thank you all so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you guys. Take care.